Phacelia. Welcome to FAQ Nature's Garden Haven, your source for gardening tips and tricks. In this video, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of Phacelia, a unique and beautiful plant that can add a touch of elegance to any garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video will provide you with valuable information about Phacelia and how to plant it successfully in your garden. Let's get started. 1. What is Phacelia? Phacelia is a genus of annual and perennial flowering plants native to North and South America. They are known for their attractive fern-like foliage and delicate flowers. 2. What are the different types of Phacelia? There are several species of Phacelia, including Phacelia tanacetifolia, lacy Phacelia, Phacelia campanularia, desert bells, and Phacelia crenulata, cleftleaf wild heliotrope. 3. What are the ideal growing conditions for Phacelia? Phacelia thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. It is drought-tolerant once established and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. 4. When is the best time to plant Phacelia? The best time to plant Phacelia is in the spring after the last frost date. This allows the plant to establish itself before the heat of summer. 5. How should Phacelia be planted? Phacelia seeds can be sown directly into the garden bed or started indoors and transplanted. The seeds should be planted shallowly and lightly covered with soil. 6. How often should Phacelia be watered? Phacelia should be watered regularly, especially during dry periods. It is important to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. 7. Does Phacelia require fertilization? Phacelia is not a heavy feeder and generally does not require fertilization. However, a light application of balanced fertilizer in the spring can help promote healthy growth. 8. How should Phacelia be pruned? Phacelia does not require pruning, but deadheading spent flowers can encourage continued blooming. 9. Does Phacelia attract wildlife? Yes, Phacelia is known to attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators with its nectar-rich flowers. 10. Is Phacelia invasive? Phacelia is not considered invasive, but it can self-seed and spread if not controlled. 11. Can Phacelia be grown in containers? Yes, Phacelia can be grown in containers as long as they are large enough to accommodate the plant's root system and provide adequate drainage. 12. Does Phacelia have any known pests or diseases? Phacelia is relatively pest and disease resistant, but it can be susceptible to powdery mildew in humid conditions. 13. How can I propagate Phacelia? Phacelia can be propagated by collecting and sowing seeds or by dividing mature plants in the spring. 14. Can Phacelia be used as a cover crop? Yes, Phacelia is often used as a cover crop to improve soil health and suppress weeds. It is especially beneficial for attracting beneficial insects. 15. Are there any companion plants that pair well with Phacelia? Phacelia pairs well with a variety of plants, including sunflowers, cosmos, and zinnias, creating a colorful and wildlife-friendly garden. Phacelia is a beautiful and beneficial plant that can enhance your garden with its attractive foliage and flowers. By following the tips and guidelines provided in this video, you can successfully plant and care for Phacelia in your own garden. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!